The Oppo F19 Pro is ultra-thin and lightweight. It is available in fluid black and crystal silver colors. The phone is available in two variants to choose from: 8GB RAM plus 128GB internal memory with expandable memory up to 256GB and 8GB RAM plus 256GB internal memory. The phone comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. Oppo F19 Pro has a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED punch-hole display with a 90.8% screen-to-body ratio that gives you a completely uninterrupted screen experience. With 2400 x 1080 pixels resolution, the phone delivers vivid colors and clarity. It comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor, allowing you to unlock your phone instantly and securely. Oppo F19 Pro comes with a 48-megapixel quad camera setup and a 16-megapixel front camera. It also comes with dynamic bokeh and night plus modes. With the dual view mode, you can record using both the front and the rear camera simultaneously. Powered by ColorOS 11.1 based on Android V11 operating system with MediaTek Helio P95 octa-core processor and IMG 9XM HP8 GPU, this phone gives a smooth performance during games and video playback. Oppo F19 Pro features a 4310 mAh lithium polymer battery with 30-watt VOOC flash charge 4.0 that gives you up to 3.2 hours of talk time in just 5 minutes of charge. It also comes with a super night standby mode. The box includes handset, earphones, USB cable, charger, SIM ejector tool, protective case, quick start guide and safety guide. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For return or replacement policy, refer to product detail page. For further information, visit the product detail page.